Python creating a dictionary of lists. I want to create a dictionary whose values are lists. For example, if I do I get a key error, because D isn't a list. In this case, I can add the following code after the assignment of A to initialize the dictionary. Is there a better way to do this? Let's say I don't know the keys I am going to need until I am in the second for loop. For example, an alternative would then be replacing with What is the best way to handle this? Ideally, appending would just work. Is there some way to express that I want a dictionary of empty lists, even if I don't know every key when I first create the list?
You can use defaultIct.
You can build it with list comprehension like this. And for the second part of your question, use defaultIct.
You can use setDefault. The rather oddly named setDefault function says get the value with this key, or if that key isn't there, add this value and then return it. As others have rightly pointed out, defaultIct is a better and more modern choice. setDefault is still useful in older versions of Python, prior to 2.5.
Personally, I just use JSON to convert things to strings and back. Strings I understand.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.